Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Globe Takeover TV. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I've been gone for a while, paying some bills, taking care of some business, but I'm back on the scene for you guys. Behind me here is a Brazilian flag because I was visiting Rio de Janeiro. So if you know Brazil, you know Brazil. Brazil never gets old.
Shit, not just the city, the world.
From the Carnival this year to the beaches of Ipanema, Copacabana, the restaurants, the nightlife, the energy of Brazil, I would say that pound for pound is the best country I love to visit. Okay, guys? With that being said, first off, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll definitely appreciate that. Let's get it and let's go. Okay, guys, to enter Brazil from the US, you need to have an e-visa. The e-visa will cost you about $80 US to apply for online. It's a pretty fast and efficient process. I got mine in about 6 days to be exact, so it shouldn't be no problem for you guys. Now, when you're in Brazil, you would need to probably, if you want to, exchange your money into their money, the Brazilian real. Now, I would say pull it from the ATM machines because it's better for you based off the rates they're going to charge you compared to going to the airport or exchanging it at a Cambia Casa, okay? Also, you can pay by tap with your phone in Brazil, so however you want to do it. I did both ways. I did it through an ATM machine, pulling cash out, and by tap. Now, to charge your devices in Brazil, this here, an American adapter here, would not work. Okay, you need to have one of these here, a Brazilian adapter. Take one of these here, plug in your regular charger into it, and it'll work right into the wall. Without this, you can't charge nothing with this. Okay, this will cost you about $15 USD over there. They sold at newsstands and different phone stores, so you should be okay. So this year was my first year ever attending the Carnival in Brazil. And I gotta say, guys, it was an amazing experience. I mean, it's basically the biggest party in the world. With massive festivals, you have the samba music going crazy every night, dancing, costumes, the floats, the whole nine. Now, I would say that if you can't make it to the Carnival, you can go to the street parties called the Blocos here. Basically, it's one big block party where everybody's outside just partying and drinking, locals and tourists all together having a good time. Now, the main event at the Carnival is the Samba and Drone Parade. That's going to be the parade where you have different samba schools competing for the championships. Okay? Now, my section in the stadium wasn't the best section, but I was in the building, so I was happy. I paid about $160 USD. To get a good section in the middle, you probably want to pay from $800 to $2,000 USD. Next year, I'm going to buy my tickets in advance to get a good section. Now, the next place that I went to visit was the Resturants steps. The same steps that were made famous from the Snoop Dogg video years ago called Beautiful. These steps, man, is a good place to take pictures, enjoy the views, meet other people from different countries, things of that nature. Hey, what's up, everybody? Out here in Brazil in the Resturants steps with my friend right here. This is Adi. Say hi. Hi. I'm a tour guide here. She's tired. Adi's tired.
I'm not tired, but I have a lot of gringos here.
Yeah,
that's crazy. I'm from Brazil. It's very common for me.
Yeah, she's used to the lifestyle. Something fun you want to do when visiting Brazil is do a helicopter ride.
Get to the chopper!
For me personally, these rides are very, very fun. I mean, you're in a small helicopter, you and the pilot and other guests in the back, but it's a good experience. It's going to cost you about $150 USD for about 30 minutes in the air. You're going to go over the whole city, the soccer stadium, Christ the Redeemer, different beaches, things like that. So if you're visiting Brazil, you want to get a reservation for the helicopter ride. Now, a place you want to visit in Brazil, in Rio de Janeiro, is the Sugarloaf Mountaintop. The Sugarloaf Mountaintop is a great place to go with a date. You can go by yourself, you can go with the family. Go up there, take in the views, take some pictures, make some videos, make some memories. I mean, the Sugarloaf is going to cost you about $40 USD. You're going to take 2 glass cable cars visiting 2 different mountaintops up there. And when you're there, guys, you're going to thank me later because it's a great place to go. Okay, guys? Enjoy it. One of the highlights of this trip was visiting an old friend of mine who now happens to be a professional UFC fighter. His name is Carlston Harris. I met Carlston here years ago through a mutual friend. We kept contact over the years, and this trip here gave me the honor to do an exclusive interview with him in his gym where he trains at, where he just shares about his background, his fight coming up, his training, and Brazil in general. So sit back, guys, relax, and please enjoy the interview. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Globe Takeover TV. I'm out here in Brazil with my boy here, Carlston Harris. He's a UFC fighter here, you guys. Carlston, tell him where you're from, how you been fighting for, and what you got going on next.
Hey guys, for who don't know me, I'm Carlston Harris. I'm from Guyana. I moved to Brazil in 2007, live in Rio right now, and I fight MMA, I fight for the UFC, and my next fight will be on the 28th of March in Seattle, Washington. Well, yeah, I come from Guyana and first moved to the Amazon in Manaus, and in 2011 I moved to Rio, you know. So actually I live in Rio 15 years, but overall I live 19 years in Brazil. So yeah.
So you speak basically, you know, full Portuguese, right?
Yeah, I speak Portuguese and English. Yeah.
But you learn Portuguese in the school or just in the street that's growing up here?
Yeah, I learn Portuguese on the street day to day, my day-to-day journey on the street.
Oh, that's very, very impressive to learn like that, you know? All right. Well, here's a random question for you. Since you've been here for so long in Brazil, I want to ask you, what is one thing that a tourist must do when they visit Brazil?
Oh, one thing a tourist must do when they visit Brazil, man. Before you come down here, you have to, you know, check out the security first, man. Yeah. When you come down here to Brazil, you don't, you know, when you're on the road, you don't like check out your phone and, you know, flashing it, or you have to be safety all the time, man, because, you know, Brazil is good, but still you have to be very skeptical, you know.
Yeah, I've heard that people, you know, they wear their chains or their watches or have their phones out in public. They're a target for the local people that snatch your stuff. So, you know, be very careful doing that kind of stuff.
Yeah, man, there's a target, yeah. Especially, I mean, when you are in crowded place too, you have to be careful with your pocket. There are a lot of pickpocket here too. Yeah, so, I mean, you don't wear nothing flashy. You always keep your stuff safe, you know? Yeah, and keep your guard up. yeah, I understand. Hey, mama. This is a daughter here. How you doing, mama? You okay? You good? Now she's okay. But so what attraction here in Brazil should tourists recommend seeing? Like Christ the Redeemer, what do you recommend them see first? Oh yeah, Christ Redeemers, they have the Lapa, they have the Sugarloaf, and they have the beaches too, man.
Yeah, I recommend Christ the Redeemer, recommend you visiting the Sugarloaf mountaintop, maybe even a helicopter ride across the whole beach front and you get a view from a bird's eye view. A lot of fun out there. The prices are not that bad. They're very negotiable with the locals here, so you can get a good deal here.
Yeah, but I mean, you have to make the deal first before business, right? Because I mean, price get changed every time.
Yeah, the price always changes.
Yeah, because you know, tourist price bigger than local price.
Yeah. You have the gringo price and then the regular local price here. Matter of fact, this jersey here I bought with him. He got me a deal here the other day for this jersey right here.
Yeah. Well, I don't know about other country, but you know, you have to be very careful, man, when you're walking on the road here. Yeah. But it's a good place to enjoy yourself, man. Everything you're looking for is here.
That's great, man. That's great. So back to your fighting career. So at your age, how much longer do you want to fight for?
I mean, like this sport is a young man game, man. You have to be young, yeah. But I mean, maybe without no injury, maybe the next 4 or 5 years, yeah. I will call it a career.
Okay.
Yeah.
And your current record is 19-7, correct?
Yeah, 19 victories, 7 defeats, yeah, man.
How many knockouts?
I have 5 knockouts and 6 submissions.
That boy is good.
Good and terrible.
All right. Okay, good. So after you fight, do you want to coach fighting, other fighters? You want to change career paths, continue this line of work? What do you want to do after this?
Well, I mean, after fighting, well, eventually I will get into the coach, you know, I will get into coaching because, I mean, I want to pass on to the young generation, you know, some of the things that I'm learning. So, yeah, I want to pass it on to the young generation.
Okay. And so why exactly did you want to fight in the first place?
Oh, well, I got into fighting because of the money, man. I think at first you get into fighting, you will get rich, you know, like quickly. But it's not like that, man. Everything takes time, you know. And when you gain your money, I mean, you have to administrate it very well, you know. If not, it finished too.
Yeah, I know the money's good here. I know from where you come from Guyana originally, the money's good over here in this part of the country, in Brazil. But like you said, you have to have a knowledge of financial planning your money for the future. So when you're done fighting, you'll be okay, right?
Yeah, one of the things, like when you are a fighter and you start gaining money, like you start getting enough money. I mean, a lot of fighters, they change their lifestyle, you know. They earn like 10,000 and they spend like 20, so that's not good. If you earn 10,000, you spend less. You spend like 5 or 6 and you put away like 4, yeah. But a lot of fighters, their lifestyle go up. You can't go like that because, I mean, when you decide to call it a career, you leave broken. You consider with a lot of big football player, including fighter too, like boxer and those, you know, they get broke.
You have to manage your money carefully. Yeah. You know, people think that it's gonna last forever, but it's not gonna last forever.
Yeah.
So be smart about that. All right, guys. Well, one last question, Carlson. Random question for you. If you wasn't fighting, what would you be doing now?
If I wasn't fighting, I was gonna be a mechanic, looking to get my engineer certificate. You know, yeah.
All right, sounds good. So you're good with your hands.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, mechanic. So I was gonna to get my engineer certificate.
All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for your time. Appreciate it. Oh, Carlson, give me your Instagram name. How to follow you?
Yeah, my Instagram is carsonboy@.com.
All right, guys. Peace out. Have a good one.
You got knocked the fuck.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm here in the streets in Rio de Janeiro. About to get some food real quick at the restaurant. They say that it's pretty good, so I want to try it out. It's called Galeto Sets. All right. So let's go inside real quick and check the food out. All right, guys, I'm here. I got my table here. I'm on the second floor here. This restaurant is pretty popular restaurant. Galetos. They say it's good for chicken, good for everything here. We have locals here and tourists here. It's a pretty safe area. They have a patio outside, downstairs, the first floor, and like I said earlier, upper deck here, second floor. I asked the waitress what should I get. She said that I should give me a combination plate of some chicken, some rice, and other good food. So hopefully when it shows up here, it tastes good. I got my drink here. It's a local soda here. It's called a Guarana. Hope I said that right. Here it is, guys. This is a pretty good drink here. I mean, like a soda here. It tastes good. So, if you're ever in town there, you want to get that. So, I mean, so far so good, guys. Hopefully the food here tastes good. I mean, it's packed out here. So, let's see how it goes. All right, guys, the food is here. Let's check it out. We have some rice, a little bit of egg here, some French fries, and we got some barbecue chicken here. So far, it looks good. Let's dig into it and see how it tastes. All right, it's not bad. Not bad at all. But my experience in Brazil, I noticed that some of the food here is not very seasoned too much. I mean, it's not bad, but it adds a little more spice to it. But, so far so good. What's up, everybody? I'm out here in Rio de Janeiro, out here at this language international exchange here program. Not a program, but more of a social event here. It's called the Jungle Mungle. Every Tuesday in Brazil, they have a function here. You come out here and meet different countries, talk different languages, things like that. So let's go inside here and check it out real quick. So most people think that being in Brazil, in Rio, that there's only like one or two main beaches, which is Copacabana and Ipanema, which are good beaches in itself. But being in Rio long enough, you will see that there's different beaches that you could check out. So I met me a friend out here, a local, and she was telling me how she could show me a different place called Cabo Frio. Cabo Frio is about 2.5 hours north of Rio by bus. You can go by Uber, but it costs you some more money. By bus cost me about $40 US to get up there and back, so it's round trip. And I must say, I enjoyed the trip. It was good. Different experience, different way of life, so check it out, guys. We are the first ones on the bus. Double decker. Back here.
Yeah.
Got our seats. Going to Cabo Frio.
Yes.
So Cabo Frio on the bus is about 3 hours to get there.
Yes.
3 hours, much or less. So when we get there, I'm gonna relax a little bit, you know, just chill, have some food, you know. Something different from Copacabana and Ipanema. Oh, nice.
You like?
Yes, I like. This is a big bus right here. It's a double decker, you know, comfortable seats. So, all right, you guys, we're on the way. Peace. Ari, say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Quer que eu tire?
Amiga, por favor.
Obrigado, hein?
Obrigada. Vou tirar pro seu, né? Valeu, viu?
Primeiro? Não, eu vou chegar. Não vai passar a Stephanie, não.
Não passar de sério.
Vai deixar a Stephanie? Olha aí, Stephanie.
Tudo jóia, vocês não precisaram de conforto, guardar
Oi,
sua
amigo.
cadeirinha. Tudo bem, meu amigo? Guarda a sua cadeirinha, sabe? Vocês sabem como que funciona aqui? Não. Aqui toda barraca trabalha com sistema de locação do material. Aqui é praia protegida pela marinha.
¿Se puede pagar con tarjeta?
So this beach here reminds me of when I was in Thailand visiting over there, an island called Koh Larn Island. Very similar vibe. This beach is more like a family, you know, a family vibe here. Come with a girl, relax, chill out real quick. It's safe, so it's good over here. Let me head back to my table real quick. Oh, there she is. Where's the food at?
I don't know.
The food's not here yet. Out here at Cabo Frio Beach. pescado.
Mira qué rico. Tengo milanesa de pollo, tengo pescado sin espina y tengo camarón también. Peixe, frango ou camarão.
Qué bueno.
Muito rico, esse é o mais gostoso. Sale qualquer a 20 reais, qualquer 20 reais. Peixe, frango ou camarão no espeto.
Okay, obrigado.
Si ustedes venían allá en Playa del Pontal, Atalaya o Playa del Forno, mi nombre es Juan. Lo más rico es allá.
Ok, tchau.
Salgado.
Ei, o que tem aqui?
Tem aqui, ó, coxinha de frango, enroladinho de salsicha. Aquele jeito, irmão. Na luta, vambora.
And I want to fetch before.
It's okay.
No, it's cold.
I thought you could swim.
No, it's cold.
It's not too cold.
It's cold.
It's good for you. It's good for your body. So tell the people exactly where we are. Where are we?
Yes.
Where are we? Your name?
My name is...
No, the place here.
Ah,
Yes.
Pontal do Atalaia.
One more time. Say it again.
Huh? How long time?
Otra vez. The name.
Pontal do Atalaia.
Hope you got that because I didn't get it.
And the water is cold more.
Yeah,
And the heat is more comfortable.
Over here is warm. It's warm here. It feels good.
Yeah, the heat is good.
It's not too bad.
It's cold.
Yeah, on that side over there is more cold.
Yeah.
Over here feels good.
Yeah, it's so good here.
Hey. So this beach here has like 4 to 5 beaches here, right?
Yes. I don't remember. I need Google.
Yeah, the
Look
Google.
in the Google. But I believe it's 4 or 5. Because the boat is stopping in La Roque Beach here. Understand?
Yes, I understand. She was just saying, you guys, that about here they have about 4 or 5 beaches here and 3 or 4 or 5 ferries going around here, stopping off people and dropping off people, just hang out and chill. Seagull. It's called a seagull. How you say in Portuguese? What are you doing?
I don't remember this.
Seagull. How you say in
I
seagull?
don't remember. I forgot.
I thought you from.
I spent a long time talking English with you. I don't remember in Portuguese.
Come on, you can't forget your language. You know.
I don't know.
How you say it in Portuguese? Seagull.
I forgot.
I don't know. You tell me. You forget? Over there?
I don't remember. Qual o nome desse pássaro?
¿Cómo?
Qual é? Tu fala português?
No.
No. Ah,
¿Dónde eres?
Pero una gaviota, ¿no es eso?
Gaviota, isso.
¿Viste?
Gaviota.
Gaviota?
É.
Gaviota,
Seagull
claro.
in Portuguese?
Gaviota.
Okay.
Sim,
Igual
the
é-
same.
é igual,
The same o mesmo em espanhol.
Ah, ok.
Gaviota.
¿Dónde eres?
Argentina,
Argentina. ¿Qué ciudad?
de Buenos Aires.
Oh, Buenos Aires. Okay, qué bueno.
¿Conocen?
¿Ah?
¿Conocen?
No, pero yo quiero ir a visitar. Pronto.
¿Qué? ¿Buenos Aires o algún lado? La nieve, no sé.
Me gusta la playa, entonces dime dónde.
No, pero venía acá, ¿no?
No have a beach
¿No
there.
tienes playa allá?
Para la playa no. Anda a conocer las cataratas, anda a conocer Bariloche, Mendoza, Salta, un paisaje totalmente distinto a lo que vas a ver acá. Salta, Jujuy, sí, eso sí.
Okay.
Pero por la playa quedas acá toda la vida, claro.
Sí, sí.
Okay.
Hay que reconocer lo que son las más lindas, tremendamente, lejos.
Sí. Muchas
¿De
gracias.
qué parte son
Muchas
ustedes? ¿De Río? ¿Dónde son?
I'm from Rio, I'm from Brazil.
¿De Río? ¿De
Yeah.
Ok.
Okay, muchas gracias.
Ustedes, chao.
Caraca, I forgot in Portuguese. It's
How you-
crazy.
How you forget your language?
I don't know, maybe because I talk with you long time in the English and the Spanish. I forgot it in the words in Portuguese.
Oh
That's
no.
crazy.
Yeah. Now you're American.
I know American. American.
Why are you ashamed of that? Don't be mad.
No, I'm Brazilian.
I know
I'm
you
from
are.
Brazil. I'm from Rio. I love my culture.
But you forget your language.
Yeah, different language. Yeah, not for me. For you, it's difficult.
I'm learning. Teach me. Teach me.
No, because you thought I'm bad teacher.
Hold on, watch out.
Yeah.
I'm taking a picture.
And here is really good because and the lady, ocean, uptown,
Yes.
uptown, and the people walking in the steps and the lady swing.
Oh, from right here?
Yeah, but later because water needed
Yeah.
uptown.
Yeah. We call it a high tide.
Yeah,
The water comes up here.
Exactly. You wanna walk more?
No, let's go back.
Five minutes later.
What's up, you guys? Out here in Brazil once again with my friend here. Tell him your name real quick and where you from.
My name is Ari.
What's so funny? What's so funny? Huh?
Oh, man.
Tell him your name, where you from, what you do. What? Go ahead. Her name is Ari. She's from Rio de Janeiro, right? She's a comedian, right? Always laughing, having a good time, you know?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, my name is Ari from Rio, I'm from Brazil. I'm comedian professional. Okay.
She speaks pretty good English. She learned in the school or no?
In school.
How many years?
1 year.
1 year learning English.
Yes.
She's pretty good. She has an accent, but it's pretty understandable. It's good. It's okay. Okay, Ari, quick question. What is your favorite Brazilian food?
My Brazilian food favorite is feijoada, barbecue, and stroganoff.
Stroganoff.
Yes.
All right. Do you cook or do you eat out?
I cook.
You cook every day?
No.
But a lot?
Yes. Maybe 3-4 times in the week.
All right. Okay. You're busy. You're very busy.
Yes, I work a lot.
What is one thing that a tourist must do when they visit Brazil?
Need to go cities, Rio de Janeiro, Ceará, and Salvador. And in my city, Rio de Janeiro, you need to visit touristic places, Cristo, Sugarloaf, Selarón Steps, and beaches, enjoy sunset in Ipanema Beach. It's really good.
So why do you like Salvador?
I like Salvador because Salvador have many peoples, lot of peoples, too much peoples, black peoples. And Salvador is the biggest city having more black peoples outside the Africa. I like it because I feeling very, very comfortable because I see a lot of people similar to me and they have amazing culture, amazing food. It's beach, it's calm, tranquilo, it's water and the ocean is comfortable, it's hot because Rio is ocean, is very, very cold for me. But I love my city.
So I think next time I visit Brazil, I'm gonna visit Salvador for a few days and then Rio again. But so right now we're in Cabo Frio?
Yes, now you stand in Cabo Frio, Dunas Beach.
So this is more of a sand dunes type of beach here. It's more calm, more chill, relaxed.
Yes.
Earlier we had a different beach. I forgot what it's called, the name of the beach?
Arraial do Cabo, praias do Pontal do Atalaia.
Man, I don't speak Portuguese, so that's it right there for you guys. But that beach over there was more of a, to me it's more fun, more relaxing, a family environment, that kind of nature. The water is more calm and it's more clear. The water here is more aggressive here, but it's still a good vibe.
Yes, and beautiful views too. You need to make a video for you guys see different beaches, and the beach here and the water beach in Arraial.
I got it. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Appreciate you guys. Peace out.
Bye, guys. Guys, follow me and the Instagram. Oh my God.
No, I got it. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yes, follow my Instagram here. Thank you.
What's the Instagram name?
_ Ariane Matias.
All right, guys. It'll be in the description for you guys to follow her. She's a very funny comedian. Follow her Instagram. You know, it'd be a good little show for you guys.
Yes, and call me my city, call me.
All right, y'all. Peace.
Bye.
As far as nightlife goes, guys, I would say that I went to a place called Casa Black Rio. Casa Black Rio is a good place to visit on the weekends with the locals out here. You know, from my place in Ipanema, it was about a 30-minute Uber ride to get out there. Now, the area is not that safe. It's kind of sketchy out there. So don't wear no chains, no watches. Don't be a target out there. You want to blend in as much as possible. So when I was there, I had me a good time, you know. Paid a cover charge of $19 USD. Bought some drinks, met some locals, make some friends out there. It's all good. So right here, I'm about to step into Casa Black Rio out here in Rio.